Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. How are you students? Stay home, stay safe. Today we are going to do unit number 7. Its title is Heat, Light and Sound. This is for grade 4. Let's start our topic. First of all, tell me that have you ever done exercise? What happens when you do exercise? Yes, your body gets active and warm. All the bodies are made up of smaller particles, atoms and molecules. When the molecules start moving, heat is produced. Heat is a form of energy, and heat is produced when molecules start moving. When molecules move, heat is produced. Here you can see that these molecules are active and they move fast. The faster they move, the greater the heat. While in this picture, molecules are lazy. They don't want to move, so they feel cold. The slower the molecules move, the lower the heat. When we move slowly, we feel cold. When we work out quickly, we feel warmer. So, heat is produced when molecules move quickly and feel cold when molecules are slow in movement. Temperature. Temperature tells us about hotness or coldness of a body. It measures the hotness or coldness of a body. We use 3 scales for measuring temperature. The 3 main scales for measuring temperature are Celsius scale, Fahrenheit scale and Kelvin scale. In most of the countries of the world and Pakistan, we use Celsius scale, whereas Kelvin scale is used for extreme temperature. It is used for extreme cold or extreme hot temperature. The 3 scales are Celsius, Fahrenheit and Kelvin. You may have observed the boiling water. It is too hot. It's very difficult to put hand in the boiling water. Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. If we took the measurement in Fahrenheit scale, then we can say that water boils at 212 degrees Fahrenheit. We can measure the temperature by using Celsius scale or Fahrenheit scale. Similarly, water freezes at 0 degrees Celsius. Nowadays, it is getting colder. The temperature is getting low. So, when it comes to 0, water starts freezing. So, in Celsius scale, water freezes at 0 degrees Celsius, while in Fahrenheit, water freezes at 32 degrees Fahrenheit. You can see the diagram of both the scales, Celsius scale and Fahrenheit scale. Water freezes at 0 degrees Celsius and in Fahrenheit, water freezes at 32 degrees Fahrenheit. While water boils at 100 degrees Celsius and 212 degrees Fahrenheit. You can see that the degrees in Celsius scale are larger. The degrees in Celsius scales are larger, while in Fahrenheit scale, the degrees are smaller. This is all about today's topic. Students, you have to read page number 48 carefully to understand these concepts. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.